Welcome back to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the topic locus. Locus for ICSC class 10th math. First of all, what is locus? The definition of locus is the locus of a point. The locus of a point is a path. Is a path. Locus of point. Locus of a point is a path which moving under geometrical condition. Geometrical condition. What is locus? The locus of a point is a path. Path means way, which is continue move under some condition, geometrical condition. It is known as locus. It means that the locus is a point which is continuous moving with a given condition, with a certain condition. Perhaps this is the line AB, and if a point is moving under condition that if a point is moving into straight line apart 3 centimeter, then what is the locus of path? If a line AB and a point is moving 3 centimeter apart, then what is the locus? You know, the point is moving and condition 3 centimeter. It means 3 centimeter this side or 3 centimeter this side, and this side, this side, this side, this side, and so the condition is the two lines parallel to either side of AB having distance 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. This is the answer of your locus. There is two theorem on locus. Theorem 1. The theorem 1 is the locus of a point which is equal distance from two fixed point A, B. The locus of a point which is equal distance from two fixed point is the perpendicular bisector joining the line. Perpendicular bisector. The locus of the point A and B will be the perpendicular bisector of A and B. You can easily prove that this is moving under geometrical condition, and by proving the triangle ABCO, first of all prove AOC and second prove OBC, and if both triangle are similar, then it is OA is equal to OB, and this is moving under similar condition. And the second point, the second theorem, it is the first theorem, and the second theorem is also very easy. The locus of a point equal distance from two intersecting line. Locus of a point, locus means path, moving path. Locus of a point which is equal distance from two intersecting line AB and CD is angle bisector. This angle bisector is the locus of the point which is A and B and D and C intersecting line. It is just between the A and D. You can measure it, prove it, and C and B. This is the L line is the angle bisector, and it is the locus of the point of two intersecting line. We have read the two theorem. First theorem was the 2 point AB and the locus will be the perpendicular bisector, and the second point, if two intersecting line, the locus will be angle bisector. The other example of locus, suppose that there is a line, there is a wheel on road. This is road, ROAD road, and this is the wheel of the vehicle center. What is the locus of the center of the wheel? What is the locus of the center of the wheel? The center of the wheel, sometime this position, and after some time this position, and after some time this position, after some time this position, and after meeting this point will be the locus of the condition. Then what is the answer? The answer will be the locus of the wheel. The locus of the wheel will be a line parallel to road having equal distance to the radius of wheel. Having equal distance to the radius of the wheel. And other example also important to solve the locus chapter completely, such that what is the locus of a point A and B as well as C? What is the locus of which is equal distance from A and B point and B and C point both? From A and B point it will be perpendicular bisector, and from B and C point it will be perpendicular bisector of BC, and P is the target point. This is the locus. If the answer will be, first of all listen the question, what is the locus of a point which is equal distance from A and B as well as B and C? Then the answer will be the intersection of perpendicular bisector of AB as well as BC will be the point P. Intersection point P will be the path of given condition. If you want to solve the numerical of locus, then visit our ICSC Help YouTube ICSC Help website, and you can get all the solution of famous publication ML Agarwal, Concise, Selina, RS Agarwal, Goel brother, OP Malhotra. And if you feel any difficulty in locus to understand the topic, you can comment us. We will help you sure. Thank you. Like it.